you ever look in the mirror and wish for skin that looks naturally bright, healthy, and glowing? What if I told you there's one product that can make your skin look radiant every day? Introducing the Original Brightening Moisturizer, your daily key to cleaner, brighter, and more confident skin. The Original Brightening Moisturizer is a lightweight cream special designed to hydrate your skin while improving your natural glow. It contains niacinamide, a powerful ingredient that brightens skin and helps fade the dark spot, aspartanol and hyaluronic acid, which provide deep hydration without feeling sticky. It's perfect for all skin type, whether you have oily, dry, or sensitive
Now
skin.
think about how much money people spend on expensive facials and products just to get that glow. With the Original Brightening Moisturizer, you get professional results at an affordable price. Many skincare enthusiasts already trust it because it's effective, lightweight, and gentle. Imagine waking up and every day with skin that feels soft, hydrated, and bright without breaking the bank.
So why wait to feel confident in your own skin? Make the Original Brightening Moisturizer part of your daily routine. Don't just dream of glowing skin, and make it real. Get yours today and let your natural beauty shine through.